All right, Chris here, Monday, March 5th. So this has been a good trade. We got in around here where you see the arrow. And normally I do cut trades pretty quickly if they don't go in our direction, and it's a much better money management practice. But with this one, I did feel confident that we were headed for an uptrend. There was a lot of support. And as I emailed out to you, I was holding on to that trade despite the initial downturn, and I felt comfortable where it was headed. And sure enough, this one did pop very nicely, peaking out here at around 11.5. Now, the thing about trading, and if anybody tells you otherwise, I would venture to say they're lying. Nobody can tell you what's going to happen from this point forward. What we need to do is follow what is happening, and that's the best way to trade. Never try and be adamant that you know exactly what's going to happen. Instead, see what is happening and leverage that to your ability. So from this point forward, if you're a long-term holder, I would just hold. I'm feeling quite confident with the current state of where Bitcoin is, especially being above the 200-day moving average, and we're seeing a lot of support building up and a lot of patterns here that are looking favorable. Now, if you're a day trader, what I would maybe suggest doing is, if this price closes below the 50-day moving average, this purple line over here, if it crosses below that on strong volume, then you might want to get out and hold your money to trade another day. Now, for those of you who are currently not holding and wondering if they should place a trade, I do think we might be setting up for a nice buy signal here as well. So what we need to do is watch what happens over here. What I would like to see is a little bit of consolidation as what's happening right now, but I'd like to see some more consolidation on decreasing volume. Once that happens, if we get a breakout above this range here, I'm going to just more or less this range. Once we get a breakout here after some consolidation, and when that breakout occurs on strong volume, I think we're going to be set up for a good buy. So again, we need to see consolidation here on decreasing volume, and then a breakout above this line on strong volume. That would be a buy signal in my books, barring anything else that would be out there. Now, for those of you who know my trading, I believe in following the price action. I don't believe in a lot of indicators. Ultimately, everything, all the news in the world, all the beliefs, the fears, the crowds, everything is encapsulated in price action. And that's why I believe that's the most successful form of trading. All right, so just to recap, for those of you who are long-term holders, I would say continue to hold. We're above this 200-day moving average, and all signs are looking pretty good right now. If you are into day trading this, I would consider getting out if this crosses below the 50 moving average on strong volume. And for those who are not currently in a trade but looking to see when to get in, let's see more consolidation happening here on decreasing volume, and then wait for a breakout above this line on increasing volume or strong volume. As always, I have to warn you, cryptocurrency is a very speculative investment. Nobody can ever read the market with full accuracy, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. And I would always say never trade on margin. Have some disposable capital and use that for your day trading. All right, until the next video, good luck and happy trading.